Passive income is the most misused phrase in personal finance. Most things sold as passive income require enormous, active effort upfront or are outright lies. Today, I'm separating real passive income from fantasy and showing you what actually works in 2026. Real passive income Category 1, Dividend Investing. You buy shares in companies that pay regular dividends. The dividends land in your account quarterly whether you work or not. The downside: you need significant capital to generate meaningful income. $100,000 invested at 4%. Dividend yield generates $4,000 per year. $333 per month. This takes years to build to meaningful levels. Real passive income Category 2, Index fund growth and withdrawal. You build a large index fund portfolio and withdraw 4% annually in retirement. This is the foundation of every serious retirement plan. Not exciting. Absolutely real. Real passive income Category 3, Digital products. Create something once, an ebook, a template, a course, a video series, and sell it repeatedly forever. The creation is active. The selling becomes passive. This has the lowest capital requirement and highest potential return of any passive income stream available to regular people. Real passive income Category 4, Content monetization. A YouTube video made today earns ad revenue for years. A blog post written today earns affiliate commissions for years. The work is front-loaded. The income tail is long. Fake passive income. Most MLM schemes. Most crypto promises. Most rent-to-rent property strategies taught in expensive courses. Most options trading systems sold on social media. The pattern of real passive income is always the same. Significant work or capital upfront. Decreasing maintenance over time. Income that outlasts the effort. Anything promising. Passive income with neither upfront work nor upfront capital is not passive income. It's a sales pitch.